And today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about WhatsApp app as you see and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here in this page we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us.